This is our custom-made spill containment berm. Every berm is manufactured exactly according to the customer's specified dimensions. We verify length, width, and effective height, all within our committed tolerance. Whether it's a standard size or a special shape, we strictly follow your order with no arbitrary changes. Whatever the footprint of your equipment, we build the berm to match. Before shipping, every single unit must pass a rigorous water fill seal test. We unfold the berm, fill it with water, and pay special attention to the four corners, the most leakage-prone areas. We check carefully for any seepage or deformation. Only after confirming a perfect seal does it move to the next step. This is not spot checking, it's 100% inspection for every berm. After use, the berm can be folded quickly. A few people can pack it into a compact bundle in just a few minutes. Once folded, it takes up very little storage space, reduces shipping costs, and is easy to carry on site. When you need to deploy it, just unfold and it's ready. Flexible, lightweight, and efficient. Professional spill containment berms, every step, from inspection to delivery, is fully traceable. We support fully customized orders. Contact us today for a quote or a sample. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.